LedgerLion AI has just been released, and today we're going to go over 7 crucial things you need to know about this cutting-edge AI software. If you're curious about how it works and whether it's right for you, stick around until the end because I'll be sharing some insider tips and my honest take on whether this software is worth your time. And yes, you can actually try it for free from the first link in the description below. LedgerLion AI promises to simplify and enhance the way businesses and individuals interact with technology, but does it deliver on its hype? Let's dive right in. First up, LedgerLion is designed to automate complex tasks that usually require multiple software solutions. Whether it's managing financial data, automating workflow, or integrating various data sources into one platform, this software is engineered to do it all in a seamless, easy-to-use interface. One of its standout features is its integration with existing tools, making it a perfect addition for businesses that already rely on a wide range of digital solutions. But what really sets LedgerLion apart is its use of deep learning algorithms. These allow the software to adapt and improve over time, optimizing its processes without any extra effort from you. This kind of AI is ideal for those looking for long-term efficiency and consistency. You won't have to manually update or tweak settings as the software continues to learn from your usage patterns. Another thing that makes LedgerLion so appealing is its ability to handle large amounts of data effortlessly. Unlike many other AI tools, LedgerLion's infrastructure is built to scale with your needs. So, whether you're running a small business or managing enterprise-level operations, this software won't buckle under pressure. Its speed and scalability make it a game changer for anyone who needs real-time processing without sacrificing performance. Now let's talk about the user experience. The interface is clean and intuitive, designed for users of all technical backgrounds. Even if you're not familiar with AI or automation tools, you won't find yourself lost in a maze of complicated features. The setup is simple, and the support team is just a click away if you need assistance. If you're a business owner or marketer, this is a massive plus, as it means less time spent troubleshooting and more time leveraging the software to grow your business. For marketers, LedgerLion AI can be a powerful tool to streamline campaign management. The software allows for dynamic optimization of marketing strategies, giving you insights into performance across different platforms. It can automate your content distribution and even help with personalized messaging, all while adapting to your target audience's preferences. Security is also a top priority with LedgerLion. Data privacy and encryption are built into the software's core architecture, ensuring that your sensitive information remains safe. This is essential in today's digital age, where data breaches are becoming increasingly common. So, if security is a concern for you, rest easy, knowing that LedgerLion has taken the necessary steps to protect your data. Now, here's something I want to emphasize. LedgerLion is still in its early stages, and while it's packed with features, it's not without its minor quirks. Some users have noted occasional bugs, especially with integrations, but from my experience, these are quickly addressed by the development team, which shows their commitment to continuous improvement. If you're interested in exploring LedgerLion AI, I highly recommend checking it out through the link in the description below. You can try it completely free, no strings attached. After testing thousands of AI tools myself, LedgerLion is one that stands out for its potential. To wrap up, LedgerLion AI is a powerful, scalable, and user-friendly solution that offers a lot of value for businesses looking to automate tasks and streamline workflows. With its deep learning capabilities, seamless integrations, and solid security features, it's worth considering if you're looking for a reliable AI tool. Don't forget to check out my recommended AI software in the description, tested and tried by me to ensure they provide the best experience.